You can watch loads more CBBC series and full episodes on BBC iPlayer right now.
He's got like a stick in his mouth.
Just break that. Oh.
Oh, the dog. Oh, that's so sad. He's a bit
Trying to get past the thing, and then. Oh.
See if he looks like he's shaking his bum. I love that. He's not gonna do.
Sheer determination. Show us more.
Oh, a pelican! They're gonna
Pelican. Oh.
He's like, hello.
Oh, I hate these things.
They're gonna go into the water. Oh, I know. Pelicans! Yellow Just take it off. He was like, man! He's like me trying to eat a cookie. That's so weird.
From weird to relaxed.
What's a cat? Why is there a cat on the desk?
Oh, he's doing the iconic cat move.
The cat's moving.
Don't push it over.
Oh, the cat just spilled the coffee or the milkshake. What? Melted over. It was like...
Not very relaxing. Did you know cats push things off tables to get your attention? Attention seekers!
You can watch more of your favourite CBBC series on BBC iPlayer. Download the free app now and get streaming.
That cat may have hated coffee, but this dog can't get enough of what's in front of him.
I bet he's gonna try get them in. They're playing Hungry Hippos.
And the dog's a hippo. The dog was the fourth hippo.
And then when the dog's a hippo, they put dog treats on the board.
That one just opened the hippo's mouth and was like...
He tried to get the thing! Some dogs can be a bit weird and crazy.
What about camels?
Come here, let's take a picture together. Why don't we do that? Here, you ready? Here we go. Oh, got one. Oh, he's just sweet.
Tried to eat.
I just got video of him biting me on the head. That was pretty impressive.
He's so slippery.
Its whole body is vibrating. I like the colours on it.
The rest of his body's not moving, just his head.
And the cup. It's vibrating up and down.
It's a dog lying on someone. Oh, he's playing dead.
Yeah.
It's just like...
It just doesn't want to leave. It's just like...
The dog just wants cuddles.
He's just flopping back.
They don't want to move.
He's just flinging everywhere.
It just wants to cuddle the girl.
Okay.
Oh, baby.
Baby in the back. The dog's staring. The dog's just staring at the baby, going, what the heck's the baby doing?
The dog just like...
You're like, what? Is it Paris?
You're famous.
He just talked.
Yes, really.
Oh, it's talking. That's impressive.
Oh, no. No, expensive
Cameras are very expensive.
Oh, no. Oh, like...
You're a star. Really?
I thought she was talking to me. I'm all embarrassed.
What's not to love about CBBC? You can watch all your favourite shows, including The Next Step, The Dumping Ground, and Jamie Johnson on BBC iPlayer right now.